This is an apple. In Spanish, it's manzana. Apples are sweet and delicious. Say it slowly. Manzana. This is a ball. In Spanish, it's pelota. Balls are super fun to play with. Say it slowly. Pelota. This is a cat. In Spanish, it's gato. Cats like to say meow. Say it slowly. Gato. This is a dog. In Spanish, it's perro. Dogs love to bark. Woof, woof. Say it slowly. Perro. This is an elephant. In Spanish, it's elefante. Elephants have big trunks. Say it slowly. Elefante. This is a fish. In Spanish, it's pez. Fish swim in the water. Say it slowly. Pez. These are grapes. In Spanish, they're uvas. Grapes can be green or purple. Say it slowly. Uvas. This is a house. In Spanish, it's casa. A house is where we live. Say it slowly. Casa. This is ice. In Spanish, it's hielo. Ice is cold and melts in the sun. Say it slowly. Hielo. This is juice. In Spanish, it's jugo. Juice is tasty and refreshing. Say it slowly. Jugo. This is a key. In Spanish, it's llave. A key opens a door. Say it slowly. Llave. This is a lion. In Spanish, it's león. The lion goes roar. Say it slowly. León. This is a monkey. In Spanish, it's mono. Monkeys love bananas. Say it slowly. Mono. This is a nose. In Spanish, it's nariz. We smell with our nose. Say it slowly. Nariz. This is an orange. In Spanish, it's naranja. Oranges are juicy and sweet. Say it slowly. Naranja. This is a pig. In Spanish, it's cerdo. Pigs say oink, oink. Say it slowly. Cerdo. This is a rabbit. In Spanish, it's conejo. Rabbits like to hop. Say it slowly. Conejo. This is the sun. In Spanish, it's sol. The sun shines bright. Say it slowly. Sol.